So I think I just unlocked some type of social media hack and had to share it with somebody. So this is pretty crazy. Last night I was listening to a YouTube series. I think the guy's name is Jack Neal. Yeah. And he had, where is she? This person on his show talking about essentially Instagram hacks. And one thing that she mentioned is this tool called SortFeed, which is a Chrome extension. And so I was a little not skeptical, but there's just so many social tools out there. So anyway, I was testing it out, and it basically allows you to go on somebody's profile and sort their reels, their posts by a handful of different metrics: most comments, most views, most likes, most shares. I think is one. In any case, so I pulled up Aaron. Aaron's a builder in Texas who's got a pretty strong following at 209,000. And I was like, okay, this is a good test bed to see how well this thing actually does. And I think I just went ahead and did likes by all items. So on the Chrome extension, basically you can sort by items or posts in her feed. And then there's a drop down that says all items. So I hit that, and it basically grabbed all 2,800 posts and then put them into a CSV. Then what I did is I turned that into a PDF so I could upload it into NotebookLM. So this is literally a PDF, all of her posts with the captions, a link to the post, right? And then I think it's even like comments, number of comments, number of likes, so forth and so on. So really ridiculously crazy. It's a gigantic PDF. And then basically I was just pushing Notebook and I said, what keywords are most commonly used in the top performing posts? And after I think like 5 minutes, it came back with this. So here are the common keywords and their significance in posts with more than 1,000 likes. So immediately I was like, save that over here. But the other part that I thought was really cool, and this is actually even crazier than just uploading it into Notebook, is I grabbed that same CSV, dropped it into Sheets, so Google Sheets, and there's a button at the bottom that says, analyze this data. Yeah. And so then it literally pulls up this total comments over the years. You can see this just crazy spike. Total likes over the years, total comments over the months, total likes over the months, total comments by day of week. So this is super helpful because, well, one, you can see she's trending, or not even trending, but like she's pretty, this report is pretty significant, saying that, she's not even seeing like a truly significant dip on Tuesday and Sunday. She's averaging just crazy high comments. Total likes by day of the week. Monday, she's getting a gigantic bump. And then the rest of the days are, leveling, which is interesting. Total comments by hour of day. This is actually probably the most important one, simply because at 5 a.m. is when she's just getting a crazy spike here with the amount of comments that she's getting on her posts. Same thing with likes, right? So chances are people are just going in, liking, and then also dropping, emoji to get a PDF or whatever the asset is. Both likes and comments have shown a significant upward trend over the years. Notably, there was a substantial increase in engagement, with likes jumping from 27,000 to 474,000. I wonder why. Let's see. Engagement varies throughout the year, with January and October showing the highest total likes, and March and January leading the total comments. I wonder why. And then day of the week performance. Monday consistently records the highest number of likes, while Saturday has the most comments. Sundays and Tuesdays tend to have lower engagement across both metrics. So what's insane is like, this took me 5 minutes to click a Chrome extension on somebody's Instagram profile and to get all of this data, and then to, basically take that CSV, drop it in here, and have one AI bot analyze it like this, and another to help me determine what keywords should be included, right, in my posts. Really cool. But yeah, thought I would share that, and I hope it's helpful.